Hello guys, I want to show you how to create a professional profile for your WordPress. Go to your WordPress settings, admin area, go to settings, then discussion, scroll down until you find the default avatar. Shows Gravatar logo. Click save. Then go to users, profile, and fill up your profile information. In the email section, copy your WordPress email. Go to Gravatar to change your profile picture. Create an account. I already have an account, so I will sign in. Log into your account. Edit your profile. Also, I recommend for you to go to the WordPress website, wordpress.com. Log in and edit your profile from there, because here you can add a link of your website. This is it all. Subscribe and check the other videos in my channel.